Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video we're going to talk about how to prevent breakouts, because my last video I talked about my clear skin routine, but I did not really tell you how to prevent breakouts. Whether or not you have a personal routine, the goal of any clear skin routine is to prevent breakouts. So today I'm going to talk about 10 tips on how to prevent breakouts. But before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's free, and while you're at it, turn your notification bells on so you know whenever I post a video. So let's jump straight into the video. The first and foremost way to prevent breakout is to wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Washing is the most common way of spreading disease. So if you're not in the habit of washing your hand and you like touching your face, squeezing pimples, especially squeezing pimples, then you're gonna have breakout upon breakout upon breakout, and you'll be wondering what the heck is causing these breakouts. And it's simply washing your hands. You're not washing your hands often enough. So whatever is on your hands is transferring to your face. So all of you face touchers, all of you people who love touching face, whether you be girl or boy, if you love touching your face, you need to wash your hands all the times, especially if you're using high traffic areas like opening doors and touching doors, touching bathroom, touching faucet. You need to wash your hands. It doesn't matter if it's in your house or in the public, because remember, even your sister or your mother can touch a doorknob with germs in hand. So the first step in preventing breakout is washing your hands, and I can't exaggerate washing your hands enough. The second way to prevent breakout is washing your face. You're gonna need to wash your face. Why you need to wash your face, you may ask? Listen this. Washing your face removes dirt, oil, grease, whatever unwanted debris on your face. If you're out all day, whatever the wind blow in your face, you're gonna need those off. Remember that during the days your face build up bacteria, virus, dead skin, etc. Washing your face, especially if you're using a soft brush or a washcloth, or you're doing a little exfoliating, is very important, because that's how you're gonna move all those bacteria, and that's how you're gonna move dead skin that will cause breakout. In addition to the fact that washing your face just leave your face looking and feeling fresh and clean, even smelling, especially if you're in a relationship and you have somebody that loves to be in your face. Washing your face and putting a moisturizer on will leave your face smelling, feeling, and looking just soft, fresh, touchable, kissable. So remember to wash your face. The third way to prevent breakouts is drinking water. Drink a lot of water. Your body needs water. Study shows that drinking water hydrates the skin, so it prevents acne. By drinking water, you're just simply promoting proper skin hydration, so your skin is not dried out and look withered. So remember, along with a moisturizer and washing your face, you need to drink a lot of water. And I know a lot of times we don't like drinking water. I don't particularly like drinking water, but what I do is like add some lemon or whatever fruits you love, or whatever fruits you have in your house, even some cucumber or a piece of ginger. Add that to your water and just keep a bottle of water beside you. And a lot of times you feel hungry. If you just drink some water, you'll realize that you weren't really hungry, you were thirsty. So find all the ways that you can and every reason to drink water. And I know sometimes drinking water is very annoying because it sends you to the bathroom so much, but just think of the reward. Just think of how you're rewarding your skin. Just think of how beautiful your skin is going to look, and not just your face, your entire body is going to look young and fresh and voluptuous and just beautiful by just hydrating your body. The fourth way to prevent breakouts, and a lot of people don't know this, wash your pillowcase. Even if you're not in the habit of changing your bed sheets every week, just remember, wash your pillowcase. Why you need to wash your pillowcase? Your hair. Whatever you put in your hair and on your face each night is gonna rub off on the pillowcase. Don't think it don't come off. A lot of times we drain mouth water, a lot of times the grease from our hair, and yes, even when you tie up your hair or you sleep with a bonnet, the hair grease or whatever dirt from out your hair still get on the pillowcase. So we need to wash those pillowcases at least once a week. Just take those those pillowcases off. It's easy. Throw them in your sink, throw them in your bath, throw them in the machine. Just wash those pillowcases quick and easy. What helps to preserve your sheets and your pillowcase is bathe every time before you go to sleep. So every time you're going to lay down, bathe, and if it's possible, if you have short hair, wash your hair each time you bathe and moisturize your face. But that still doesn't stop you from washing your pillowcase. Remember to wash your pillowcase, because all those dirt from your body or your sweat or your moisturizer, all that does is go on the skin and clog the pores and cause breakouts. So don't be going a month without washing that pillowcase. Wash your pillowcase at least once a week, even if you're not washing your bedclothes. The fifth way to prevent breakouts is popping those pimples. Stop popping those pimples. And I know it's hard to say, because even though I'm sitting here telling you not to pop your pimples, I pop my pimples. I squeeze them. I don't do it as much as I used to do, but I do pop my pimples. Sometimes you do squeeze and you know you have blackhead and you see the blackhead come out. How to get rid of that? Okay, when you take a hot steaming shower, or if you're not showering, steam your face. Just boil some water, throw it in something, hold your head over it with a towel over your head, and just hold your head down over the hot water. Don't dip your face in the hot water now. Just hold your head over the hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, and that will open up the pores, and that way you'll see the blackheads more. You just take a couple pieces of cotton. You can wet the cotton with a little peroxide or a little alcohol. You just use the cotton to put at the pimple and you just squeeze it out. And like I said, I don't always do that, but I do know better, because remember that if you keep popping and squeezing those pimples, especially if you're doing one over and over, it's gonna just leave scar tissue, which is gonna be hard to come off. It's gonna probably look like mine. I'm not wearing makeup now, but sometimes I squeeze my pimples and I get spots that won't go away. I don't know if you can see them, but I do get spots. I don't have a lot now because I'm using a moisturizer that's really working for me. Thank God I'm not getting pimples and I'm not getting scar tissues anymore, and I don't have breakout and my scars are gone. The sixth way to prevent breakouts is a healthier diet. I know, even I struggle with eating healthy. Not so much eating healthy, you know, eating portion, because certain things, even though it's healthy, if it's cooked certain way in a lot of grease with a lot of sugar, that can cause breakout, especially sugar and grease. So a healthier diet of greens and a lot of fruits and a lot of water, that will help your skin to look young and hydrated and beautiful. Because remember, you don't have to sit down and chug water to get water in your body or to get liquid in your body, because if you're eating enough vegetable and you're eating enough fruit and you're eating a lot of water-based food, that's a way for you to hydrate yourself too. So water don't only come from you drinking a jug of water. Your water intake come from many sources. So make sure you're eating water-based food that helps to hydrate your skin, especially if you don't like drinking water and you don't drink a lot of water. Don't shy away from complex carbohydrate foods rich in zinc, vitamin E, vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acid, and antioxidant. Don't shy away from those foods. So try to clean up your diet, and that's something we should all be trying to do now. Regardless of how young you are, we should all be trying to eat a little cleaner. The way we're used to eating, it's not the business, and the earlier you start, the better it is for you. When you slowly start weaning yourself off certain food, you'll find it easier as the time goes by to do without it. But when you're used to eating all this food, the longer you eat this food, the harder it is for you to stop or go easy. You're always craving this sugar thing, you're always craving that. Just make an effort to eat healthy, and that's one way to prevent breakout and have healthy skin, healthy diet, and health is wealth, sister. The seventh way to prevent acne, and a lot of people get acne and they're mad at themselves and they don't know why they're getting acne. Clean that makeup brush, wash that makeup sponge. Do not use the same makeup brush over and over and over. Every time I'm doing my makeup, I wash my sponge. If I don't have clean sponge and I don't feel like washing a sponge, I do not do any makeup. Every time I'm doing my makeup, I wash my sponge. Clean the makeup. Just imagine whatever dirtiness you put it in yesterday or the day before and you left it open and dust fall on it. When you use that dirty makeup brush, you're just putting makeup on dirt. So you're putting dirt and makeup on your face. So you're putting dirty makeup with clean makeup, dirt and dust on your face. What do you think that's gonna do? That's just gonna clog your pores. And when you pores are clogged, that's when the breakout come, because your skin can't breathe. So a lot of times we have breakout, blame that dirty brush. So whenever you start getting pimples and you're getting crazy breakout that you're not used to, just think of your skin routine and you think of how many times you use that one brush or that one sponge without washing it. Wash that makeup brush, wash that sponge, wash everything before you use it. Sometimes you don't even have to wash it. They have these makeup remover spray that you can just spray on your brush and rub it off on like a paper towel. That's a great way to clean your brush in between use, and you just wash them once a week. But never, no matter how much you're in rush, don't you ever use that same brush over and over again. Another way to prevent breakout: moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. I can't tell you enough how much you need to moisturize. Moisturizing keeps the skin soft and healthy and glowy and hydrated, and along with drinking water and eating right and using your clean makeup brush, if you are moisturizing, you'll just always be glowing like you're pregnant. Choose a moisturizer that is fragrance free. Don't put too much perfumed moisturizer on your face, because that itself can cause breakouts. So a lot of times, I know your face will itch and all that. If you feel your face itching, it's probably something dirty you touch it with. So the thing that you do, just go wash your face, use a nice clean damp towel and pat dry your face, and then you put some moisturizer on. Fragrance free moisturizer you need to be using. The 9th way to prevent breakout: avoid harsh chemical. And this can be in makeup, this can be in moisturizer, this can be in your face scrub. Watch out for those harsh chemicals. And sometimes they have these harsh, rough bristle brush telling you to wash face with. The best thing for you to scrub your face with, if you feel like you need to scrub your face, use a wipes, use a exfoliating wipes or exfoliating face wipes. And I talk about the Walmart one already. That's a good one. It's $3 for 60 in a pack, and it's really good, and it have green tea in it, so that's great for your skin as well. Because we're talking about harsh chemical, do not sleep with that makeup on your face. Make sure when you wear makeup, as soon as you get home, as soon as you can, you just wipe that makeup off your face, wash that makeup off your face, cleanse your face and let your face breathe. Makeup is not to be slept in, no matter how late or how tired or how drunk you are. Try never to sleep in your makeup. Again, that's a reason to have some good exfoliating wipes that can clean your makeup off totally like you wash your face, even that. But never sleep in that makeup. That's a great way for you to get breakout. I've gotten breakout that way, just sleep in my makeup, and I haven't done it in a while, and I may have slept in my makeup like once or twice, and trust me, the next day I cleaned it off, I got a breakout. The 10th and final way to prevent breakout, last but certainly not least, is relax. Get some sleep. Get your 6 to 8 hours sleep. And I know with this life it's hard, but whenever you can, if you feel like taking a nap and you can, take your nap. Get your sleep. Relaxing is a great way to repair the skin. Let the skin settle and repair. Make sure you're getting your sleep. Make sure you're staying stress free. Stay away from things that stress you out. Lack of sleep causes the stress hormone, which is cortisol, to go crazy. So you need to get your sleep to keep your body in homeostasis. That way your skin can breathe. That way your skin can be stress free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to prevent acne. Hope you're already practicing these 10 steps. And if you're not, if you're practicing 2 or 3, try to get it up to 4 or 8, or try to practice all 10 of them, because we want our skin to always look and feel good, because your skin is the first thing that greets people. And forget people, we're not even talking about people. When you look in the mirror and you don't like the way your skin look, or you don't like the way your skin feel, don't that just pisses you off? I hope you're trying these ways. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.